Today we're introducing two features supported on new models like the Forerunner 970 and fēnix 8. They are auto lap by timing gates and trim activity. So how does auto lap by timing gates work? It means your watch will automatically trigger a lap every kilometer based on the course. To use this feature, you'll need to load the race course onto your watch in advance. In some marathons like Kyoto, Taipei, or Boston, with tall buildings, dense trees, and even tunnels, your GPS watch can show some distance inaccuracies. And sometimes, due to heavy runner traffic, you may need to weave through the crowd, which can result in extra distance being recorded. This can lead to differences from the official course distance markers. Auto lap by timing gates is designed to solve this problem. No matter how many tunnels or signal interferences you encounter, as long as you follow the course and complete each kilometer, your watch will automatically record each lap. Setting this up is simple. First, download the race course and import it into Garmin Connect. Then enable auto lap by timing gates and sync it to your watch, and you're all set. Have you ever crossed the finish line after a race, but forgot to stop and save your activity because you were too busy? That's definitely happened to me. Right after finishing, staff were putting a medal on me and handing me a towel. My family was taking photos, and I was walking to the rest area on tired legs, only to realize later that I forgot to save the activity. Now with this feature, as long as you've loaded the course before the race, if the same situation happens, when you press stop on your watch, you'll see a prompt asking if you want to trim the activity to the finish line. If you confirm, it will save your activity based on your finish time. Select the scissors icon in the top right, and your watch will trim the activity automatically. If you're okay with keeping the extra distance and time, press the bottom left button, and it will save the activity as recorded. Whichever option you choose, it can't be undone, so make sure you decide before saving your activity. That's an overview of auto lap by timing gates and trim activity. Thanks for watching.